Hey guys, this video is on one of my favorite cleaning supplies. It is my Scrub Mommy. It's my smiley face sponge. It has like a rough surface on the outside to get like, those greasy pans clean. And then we have the soft sponge on the other side. I think it's so cute. But the best part is this is great for cleaning like, if you're hand washing something, you could actually place like say a spoon in here. Like I always do this with spoons with peanut butter because the peanut butter gets stuck on and it doesn't seem to come out in the dishwasher, unfortunately. So I'll stick the spoon in here and just kind of go like this, and it gets the spoon nice and clean. So it's cute because it has the smiley face, but the smiley face serves a purpose. And then just like little clean, like the eyes you could use for like little items too, like all different things to come clean. I have one in my shower, so I use this to like scrub out my shower with bleach and stuff like that. It gets everything super clean. It gets the grease out, and I love it because it's cute. So they also make a Scrub Daddy, which is the design's a little bit different, but this is the Scrub Mommy because it's got the pink. The Scrub Daddy I think is like blue or something. I actually saw them on the show Shark Tank when they were propositioning these items to, the sharks on the show. And I just thought it was the coolest thing ever. And then when I saw it, being sold online, I just had to jump on it, and I've been buying these ever since. Buy one every like 3 weeks, I would say. They're inexpensive. They're great to use. Highly suggest having this with your cleaning supplies.